Hello everyone, my name is John Freddy Betancourt, and today I am going to talk about a very special person in my life, my wife, dearly Juliet. Dearly is 34 years old and she lives in Bogota, Colombia. She is an amazing woman and I am very happy to introduce her today. Darlie has a strong character, but she is also very sweet and loving. She is very affectionate in all gates, shows her love in a special way. Some of her favorite hobbies are dancing, going out for walks, and enjoying outdoor activities. She likes exploring to places and having four moments together. Something unique about Derly is that she is very home-loving, but she also enjoys going out to relax and disconnect. She is extremely caring and loving not only with me but with all the people she loves. Dearly is very important to me because she is my partner, my supper, and my best friend. She makes my life better every single day. Thank you for watching in my presentations and hope you enjoyed learning a little more about my wife, dearly Juliet.